So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a virtual environment for your Django project. So the first thing you will do is enter your desktop environment. Once you enter your desktop environment, we are going to do pip install pip env. Pip env. Now I already have it installed, so it's going to say it's already satisfied. So it's installing now. Yeah, so as you can see, it said requirements already satisfied. So that's the first thing you are going to do. So after installing pip env, the next thing you do is create a folder. Mkdir, let me see, virtual. So now that you've created this folder, you now enter it and say cd virtual env. Once you are inside this folder, to enter your virtual environment, or to create a virtual environment, you use the command pip shell. Now that I've entered pip shell, it's going to start creating a new virtual environment for me. Okay, so when you are done, you should see something like this virtual. And when you see something like this, you know that you are already inside your virtual environment. So if you are starting a new Django project now, you are going to say pip install Django. And then when you run this command, it's going to install Django into this your folder so that you can start your new Django project. That is all for today. Your virtual environment has been created, and then you have installed Django into your virtual environment, into the folder that you're working with. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Where are you?